We are traveling from Phoenix to Puerto Vallarta International Airport. We first check in at our private lounge just before the flight. The Uber app works perfectly well in Puerto Vallarta, just how you would expect it to work back home. However, our driver asked us to cross the bridge to pick us up from the other side of the airport. It took about 25 minutes from the airport to arrive to our hotel in the old part of Puerto Vallarta, which is the central district. We felt pretty safe after COVID and plenty of people wearing their masks, people walking about in the tourist areas. It gets pretty hilly and very unique architecture as you approach the old town. Here we are. Puerto Vallarta is situated on the Pacific Ocean on the Mexican Riviera. It's the Hotel San Angel is actually quite unique because it has architecture and antiques from Mexico and Europe dating back to the 16th century. How the vegetation is in harmony with the hotel's surroundings. Everything is just living in harmony together. It's just beautiful and lush and green. Another great feature that this hotel has are these beautiful pools. There are 3 of them. They're pretty hidden from each other, so it's a great opportunity to have just a private moment and just enjoy the privacy here, grab a good book, and just enjoy. It's a beautiful space. Here we are at the Hotel Hacienda San Angel. We stayed at the presidential suite called San Miguel. It's about 1,500 square feet with a private patio that oversees the entire city and ocean. We got a private jacuzzi and these amazing views. You don't only feel like you're in another world, you feel like you're in another time. It's just beautiful, it's lush, it's blue, it's green. The architecture is just timeless, colonial Spanish. It's heaven on earth, it's just amazing. You could stay here the entire trip and you wouldn't feel bad. Hacienda San Angel has the perfect location. It's 10 minutes from the boardwalk, beaches, and the Zona Romantica. There's also a neat flea market nearby. Be prepared, there's a lot of walking here in Puerto Vallarta, especially in the old town. Make sure you wear comfortable shoes. The hotel offers complimentary breakfast in the room, and you get to enjoy this amazing view. The hotel also offers a very unique Italian restaurant, but we decided to go exploring on our own. Just down the street there's a restaurant called Casa Tradicional. We actually really like the ambience and the level of service we got. shared a sea bass for dinner, which was big enough for a party of 2. From the hotel, you can take nice walks along the beaches, the art market, and the boardwalk nearby. And we ended the night with a nice glass of wine. The late Richard Burton purchased the Hacienda's main villa as the Valentine's Day gift for his wife, Susan, in 1977, after falling in love with Puerto Vallarta as he filmed John Huston's The Night of the Iguana there in the mid-1960s. The cult classic film put Puerto Vallarta on the map as a favorite vacation spot for the international clientele, including Burton's ex-wife, Elizabeth Taylor, who owned a house mere blocks away from Susan's. The Burtons aptly named their home Casa Boursours. In 1990, entrepreneur Janice Chatteron purchased Casa Boursour from Susan Burton to use as a vacation home. Casa Boursours evolved into Casa San Angel, then finally Hacienda San Angel in 2003. Please like and subscribe for more.